You won't believe what Safe Haven Finance can do in 2026. Most people think finance apps are only for budgeting or tracking transactions, but Safe Haven goes a step further. It helps you protect, save, and optimize your money intelligently. The app focuses on goal-based saving, letting you create multiple targets like emergency funds, travel, or debt repayment. Safe Haven automatically allocates funds based on your priorities and income patterns, making saving effortless. Predictive alerts also highlight potential overspending, helping you avoid unnecessary fees. Another standout feature is spending analysis. Safe Haven tracks recurring bills and purchases, then identifies areas where you can save without affecting your lifestyle. Over time, this proactive approach can add hundreds or even thousands to your savings. Most people overlook the power of these small, consistent adjustments. Security is top-notch, with bank-level encryption and multi-factor authentication. Your money remains in your own accounts. The app never holds funds directly. Customer support is responsive, ensuring help is available whenever you need it. Limitations: Safe Haven doesn't provide full banking or investment options. It's focused on saving, budgeting, and financial planning, but for anyone looking to gain control over their finances and grow savings intelligently, it's a solid choice. So, is Safe Haven Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely for anyone who wants a secure, automated, and smart approach to managing money. Subscribe for more reviews to help you maximize your financial potential.